Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to clone on PicsArt. If you want to clone an object or part of an image in PicsArt, then the clone tool allows you to copy a part of an image and replace it elsewhere within the same image. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the PicsArt application on your mobile device. Tap the plus button at the top left and then select the image you want to edit from your device's camera roll or the background source provided by PicsArt. After choosing the image you want to clone, go ahead and click on the Tools button at the bottom. Scroll through the option and select Clone. After choosing Clone, a circle will appear on your image. Move the source circle towards your image and make sure to move it to the part of the image you want to clone. Now, tap and drag on the area where you want the clone part to appear on the screen. You will be able to see the clone area will replicate the part of the image under the source circle. You can continue cloning different parts of the image by moving the source circle. If you want to undo a change, you can tap on the arrow at the top left and undo and redo the changes. Keep practicing for better cloning result, and once you're satisfied with the cloning, tap on the Apply button at the top right corner to save your changes. To save your edited image, click on Next at the top right and choose Save at the bottom, or you can also share your project on your social platforms, selecting one from the menu. So that is how you can easily clone on PicsArt. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.